Austin said it's too slow.
Austin.
Ready?
Remember your brakes, bud. Hey, can I teach you something real quick?
What?
Stop, 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 stop. Do you know how to change the mode?
Yeah.
How?
You press that button one time, then wait till it changes to 1, then 2. That's good.
Okay, you don't, look, this throttle right here, you don't just go all the way. You can do just a little and go a little fast, okay?
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
You can do just a little.
Yeah.
Try going just a little. See how slow you can go.
I'm gonna go up the hill and see how fast I can come down.
You know how to change the mode. You know how.
3, 2, 1, go!
Reagan, I really, that back tire is so flat. Austin, change the mode.
How did it get back on 4? That's just a battery on. Dad, that's just a battery on. I got it on 2. Now that's just a battery on.
Okay. Brakes. So we're back at home, playing with our motorcycles. The vlog is ending. We're back. I don't know what they're doing. I'm sure, well, they're wearing helmets, so that's better than last time you saw them out here, I guess. Out here on the Blackstone, just found a couple of things. So for people who don't know, we're back in America. Got a couple of maps.
Girls! Hey, y'all!
He just sends it. Full send every time. That's the Austin way. Full brakes, full gas all the time. Reagan, I would not ride down that hill with that flat tire. Let's look at it after I finish. You can play back. Hey, don't be going up and down the hill anymore, okay?
Why?
Because don't ask me why when I tell you to do something again, okay? Or else I'll just take this away.
This motorcycle?
Yes. Oh, now I made him pout. Well, I made this one pout. That's not too hard, though. Because Reagan loves pouting, don't you, sis? Love seeing that little turd go by. Anyway, back in America. We're in South Carolina. Picked up a couple of maps today. So Chattooga River. We've had some shorts about Chattooga. At this point, maybe we've posted some videos. I don't know. I'll put a link in the up top. Maybe we posted videos about Chattooga. If I have, I will put a link in the cards or in the description. In the waterfalls of Northeast Georgia and upstate South Carolina, we've been to quite a few waterfalls so far since returning. Chattooga. How do you spell home? There it be. Home.